Alwarden we the rare on stock, spent the evening getting locked in the Ace of Hearts, where the high stools were engaging. Over the footbridge down by the dock, the boat she sailed at 5 o'clock. Hurry now lads, says Whacker, before we're there, sure we'll all be back. Carry him if you can. Oh, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man. Before we reached the Alexander base, the ding-dong we did surely raise in the bar of the boat. Had great sport as the ship she sailed out from the port. Landed up in the Douglas Head, inquiring for a vacant bed to the dining room. Soon got shown by a decent woman from up the road. Bait that if you can. Oh, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man. Next morning went for a ramble round for to see the sights of Douglas town. All went in for a mighty session in a pub they called it Derby's. All got drunk be 3:30, the sober up we went swimming in the sea. Back to the digs for the spruce up, while waiting for the Rosie we all drew up our plan. Oh, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man. That night we went to the Texas bar, we came back down the horse and car. Met Big Jim and we all went in to drink some wine in Yates's. The Liverpool girls, it was said, were all to be met in the Douglas Head. McShane was there in a tie and shirt. The foreign girls he was trying to flirt, saying, "Here girls, I'm your man." Oh, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man. Whacker fancied his good looks with an Isle of Man woman he was struck. Liverpool lad was fireside and he pegged the jar into her. Whacker thought he'd take a chance. He asked the pair went out to dance. Around the floor they stepped it out. To whack it was no bother, everything was going to plan. Oh, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man. Well, the Isle of Man woman fancied Whack, but the monster there till his heads came back and whack. They all whacked into Whack, poor Whack was landed on his back. The Douglas force arrived as well, landed a couple of belts as well. Ended up in the Douglas jail until the Dublin boat had sailed, deported every man. Oh, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man. Yes, the crack was 90 in the Isle of Man.